So guys, here I am again, just showing my detune of my setup. It's with OEM arms again. I got on the start these ones, and they work really well, but if you don't weld it, they don't will work at all, because with the bumps and the holes on the road, they will get loose, and you will start to get the noises from the steering. So this is my project car, I would think, or my my life savings killer. It's a Bmw E36 wagon 328i, and I already done some modifications. I did the Mishimoto radiator, I did the arms, the coilovers, the transformation of the coilovers to the M3 style, sway bars. The brake rotors are from 320D, the E36. I did steering stoppers, you can see, but inside here you have this side plastic one works well, because the steering rack don't eat the plastic, because the tolerances are tight. But on the other side you need metal ones made on the machinist or something like that, or it won't work at all. I tested 2 times. I don't drive this car a lot, I will say probably 10 kilometers in 4 years, I will say, as funny as it sounds, but that's the real story here. I'm trying to restore the car and put it well, but I started wrong, on the wrong pace. I started modify it before repair it, and that don't go really well with this car, I will say. I got new hood, insonorization, I will say the cheapest mod, and will make your car look great, because this thing will always look like a floppy dick on any BMWs. I can 100% assure you that this will look like floppy dicks. So and it's just, I will show you an after. I painted black too, because the police in my country is like the funniest one. I will say more the government. You can pay the taxes, but you can use it. That's quite funny from you. But I'm detuning the car. I'm trying to put the car to work again. I did the Lambda sensors. The car is giving me, like you can see, they are here, hanging out there, here. I give it the lemon juice one day, and that seems to work. I changed the spark plugs, and the car is giving me a lot of coverage on the spark plugs, and the car don't run well at all. It looks like it's working on 5 cylinders. And when you clean, the first time I cleaned the spark plugs, and that really works, because the car it's starting again. But now it's just working on 5 cylinders, and I have hope this will solve the problem. So it's just that I will give you updates on the other side. It's just like, if you install the arms, the magnums ones, I will just say this bolt, it's a bitch. This little sucker is a bitch. You have to take the engine bolts off and you have to lift the engine up. So I did it like this one. I have the spider protection, the cabriolet ones. It's really nice, OEM. So you put a wood block in here to protect the oil carter in here, and you lift up very carefully to not breaking this piece. I can imagine how cheap will be on the BMW shop, or to buy another one from old stock. I have to do probably seals in here because it's all wet, and probably when I got tools and money to buy it, I will probably do that and work on my own car. But for now I will get this on the move. Thank you guys. Probably I will show more images or not of what I'm here doing, because I have a problem on the water system too, that I don't have salvage or AC hot, but the rest works. My LPG kit don't work too, so I will see what I can do from that. Probably I take the admission off and see what's going on the hoses, on the water hoses. That's my suspects. So thank you guys. Waiters.